Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to connect your Godaddy domain to your Webflow website in 2025? Here's the full process. First of all, go to your Webflow dashboard, open your site, and go to site settings, then publishing, and click custom domain. From here, from production menu, click add custom domain. Enter your Godaddy domain and Webflow will give you DNS records. Webflow typically gives you two A records and or one CNAME. Copy them carefully. You will need this in your Godaddy account. Now go to Godaddy account and log into your account. Click on my domain and select your domain and click manage DNS. Replace the existing A records with Webflows. Then under the CNAME section, add Webflow CNAME pointing to proxy.webflow.com. Head back to Webflow and verify your domain. And just that. And that's it. Your Godaddy domain is now live on Webflow. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.